achievement of our young students.
We don't need to be related to relate. We don't need to share genes or